My name is Joe Morrison. I'm with the Kitsap Economic Development Alliance. I'm here outside Inventech Marine's new 60,000 square foot building, part of which was funded by a $200,000 grant from the Washington State Department of Commerce under its Evergreen Manufacturing Growth Grant.
KEDA was a big partner of that. We're very fortunate to be awarded the grant. That money was directly infused into the building of this facility. It was so incredibly smooth to work with the Department of Commerce. We added this brand new 60,000 square foot facility that is designed to manufacture boats in. You know, before we were in buildings that were not designed for boat building. We were in warehouses, so the constraints were massive because the demand kept growing, but the buildings didn't get bigger, so we had to build our own building. Now, today, we have about 90,000 square feet. So we almost doubled our capacity in square footage, and it allows us to build bigger boats and then a much smoother manufacturing process for the team.
One of the most important things about this building is that today this is the most modern, up-to-date manufacturing facility in Kitsap County at 60,000 square feet, and the Evergreen Manufacturing Growth Grant from the Washington State Department of Commerce helped make it happen.
We were probably around 80 to 85 employees. Now with the facility done just this week, I noticed our count was up to 130, and we're growing still. So we hire every qualified candidate we find on the street that wants to come in. In 2026 and 2027, our growth rate will continue to grow. We project we'll need to be probably 175 people by the end of 2027. Today, if you came in to order a boat from us and you wanted one of these 35-foot boats, it's a 3-year wait today. So the backlog is well established. The sales are not the problem. We lose most of our sales, in fact, because we can't get it done fast enough for clients.
I think that this kind of entrepreneurial growth story is one that people aspire to, but few actually can achieve. Execution's everything, and these folks execute beautifully. I still might not be able to wrap my brain around it, but it's very clear that they have an updated process flow and a manufacturing line and a state-of-the-art facility that this grant helped create.